Replacing rear arm pivot, 108-9781 on Toro Model 20332. I am unable to remove bushing mount, 105-1818, that screws into pivot arm from inside mower frame. Is there a secret? Is there another way to remove old pivot arm?
Hello, can you send the serial number also? It may make a difference. If you can't get a wrench on it, remove the whole adjuster assy. Remove wheel and then snap ring retainer from drive gear. Take note of which way it goes on and do not lose the key and spring under it. Unbolt the black frame and slide off shaft. If shaft is rusty, clean with emery/sandpaper. https://www.partstree.com/parts/toro/mowers walk behind lawn mower /20332 Toro 22 recycler lawn mower SN 314000001 314200000 2014/transmission and rear wheel drive assembly /
I was able to get locking pliers around the wide part of retainer bussing and cannot see a way to get enough pressure to turn it. I will remove screws that hold plate to frame and see if that gives me more mobility. I am right that the bushing must be unscrewed from arm pivot.
Yes. Pick.
Thanks. That really helps me in that I have the right idea. Possibly letting some WD-40 soak through today, and we'll give another try tonight.
Any luck?
I may not get to it for a day or two, and we'll let you know how it goes. Hi Vince, thanks so much for your help. Explanation was very clear and lawn mowed without grinding or wheels falling off. If I had just listened in the beginning and removed entire assembly would have happened much quicker. Bushing unscrewed with little to no effort. Fred.
You are welcome and thank you too.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.